Okay, and I'm doing an update on Leilani. Things I haven't seen, maybe you people have, but I haven't. Okay, she's got an attorney now. He's a public defender. His name is, I might botch his name, people, Joseph W. McNeary, I think it is. So that's as of December 15th. And of course, I had to look into him. I'm looking into the judges, which I found out was very interesting about her next two court hearings coming up. And I don't know why there's two different judges, but we'll find out. Hold on. So I was looking at the cases that her attorney has done. Now, I know this trial here, the Guy Hines Jr. trial, which was, oh God, a horrific one. However, people think he's innocent. So if you want, go research his case. 8 people were dead in his home. Okay, and the attorney here, which is Leilani's, tried to get out of being the, part of the defense team. And the judge said, no, you're staying. So yeah, I think there was 8 people. There he is, right there.
7 of the 8 people killed in a Georgia mobile home last week were laid to rest Saturday. The funeral was held a day after police charged 22-year-old Guy Hines Jr. with 8 counts of first-degree murder. The dead include his father, uncle, aunt, and 4 cousins. The 8th victim was a boyfriend of one of the cousins. At the cemetery, the brother of the man charged said there was drug involvement in the house where 10 people lived. Tyler Hines also said he knew his brother didn't commit the crimes. He also spoke of his father.
My dad was just a good guy. He never meant any harm to anybody. I mean, he just went on about his life, and he tried to make his own living. He never asked for handouts or anything. He was an independent man.
Guy Hines Jr. was heard on a chilling 911 recording.
My whole family's dead.
Okay.
It looks like they've been beaten to death. I don't know, man.
Police have refused to say how the victims died or what evidence they have against Hines. He was jailed soon after the slayings on charges of illegal possession of prescription drugs and marijuana, as well as lying to police and evidence tampering. A 9th victim, a 3-year-old boy, remains hospitalized. Matt Friedman, The Associated Press.
And this, of course, bond tonight, which we do. Okay, the felony docket right here. January 11th, 2023 at 2 p.m. and the other is February 13th, 2023, 9 a.m. Now, these are 2 different judges, and I looked into them. And okay, I want to show, okay, where these judges are. There's Tammy Stokes, she's one of them, and Harris Odell Jr. Okay, these are the attorneys, these are the courtrooms. Now, I'm going to show you people, and remember, we can watch these unless they won't let her watch hers. Who knows with all the shenanigans that went on in Georgia if they'll let anybody watch. But these are live courtroom feeds. Recording of live streams is strictly prohibited. It tells you, okay? And so it shows here. And I'm not sure where their page is. I think it's right here. And so like you can come here and you do this and that'll come up. I'm going to be careful and I'm not going to push it. Okay, and I'm going to skim through this real fast. Judge Odell demands apology from Savannah murder victim's mother. Okay, there's the mom. And she wrote some stuff about him on Facebook. Okay, there's posts here about him. And he demanded that get removed. Did he say apologize? God, I don't remember. So yeah, if that one guy that killed her son didn't get let out, her son would be alive today. But he let that person out. And there's a court document there, but check it out. Okay, and I'm just going to skim through this. This is Judge Odell, and this is a police chief back then, okay, of Savannah. Now, He talks about letting these people go, and the judge let this 16-year-old go. And by the time he was 17, he's facing 3 counts of felony murder, 2017 shooting, and a fatal car crash. And then they talk about another thing. He wants to cut down on gun-related crimes and make them a priority. Let's see, what else did he say? The judge does not keep these people, these criminals. He sets them free by issuing low bonds. Okay, a felon in possession of a firearm on various occasions, after appearing before Judge Odell, they would receive a 7,000 bond or 8,000. They get out the same day. And the judge said to this, I think we need to make the streets safe, but we don't need to violate a defendant's constitutional right to do that. I don't accept the fact that every young black person is a criminal. So that's the judge's comment there. And Judge Tammy Stokes, she's interesting. Okay, she was sued for defamation. Okay. Let's see, what for? Investigation reports allege Stokes carries out her duties while under the influence of alcohol. She is racist and engaged in favoritism and other allegations of professional incompetence. Let's see, what else did she do? Well, I'm not going to read through all this, but it's a 150-page lawsuit, by the way. So if you want to look into this, yeah. Okay, and then this one, she was reprimanded because, let's see, in 2017, she was absent from the court 38 days. She did not come to the courthouse for 38 days. And I think she's found guilty of that. That's what that means. But allegedly, maybe she was drunk. I don't know. Then what happened here, she was removed. Okay, removes Judge Tammy Stokes as Chief Judge, Recorder's Court. So they removed Chief Judge Tammy Stokes as the recorder of Chief Judge in the Chatham County Recorder Court. She remains the judge.